Hello everyone, this Paneer Makhani, also called as butter paneer, is a must try if you are looking for some easy yet delicious paneer recipe that can be made with minimum effort. Begin this recipe with 300 ml of warm water in a bowl and flavor it with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Give it a quick mix and add 200 grams of paneer cubes. Do not keep the paneer in warm water for more than 15 minutes as it will start breaking when you use it in your recipe. Once this is done, move on to making the gravy. For that, on a medium heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 roughly cut onion and saute until translucent. Then add 350 grams of roughly cut tomatoes along with 35 grams of cashew nuts. Once it's mixed evenly, add half a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of garlic paste along with 100 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it evenly and let it simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes until it gets nice and mushy. Once the mixture turns nice and soft, transfer this into a mixer or a bowl and churn it into a fine pulp. Once it has pureed well, strain this, and while sieving the mixture, make sure to press as much as you can so there's minimal wastage. As you can see, we are left with only seeds and skin of the tomatoes. Now the only thing remaining is reheating the gravy. To reheat the gravy, melt 2 tablespoons of butter on the same pan as earlier on medium heat. This will ensure the buttery smooth taste we are after. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it sizzle for no longer than 5 to 10 seconds. Then add the prepared gravy along with 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it evenly. If you prefer a slightly thinner gravy, feel free to add some warm water at this stage. Lower the heat and add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add the soaked paneer that we had prepared earlier, add kaauri methi, and lastly, add in edible food color. Finish it off with 1 last tablespoon of butter, and there you have the most delicious butter paneer that you have ever made, ready to serve. On that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.